What is the largest planet in our solar system? Earth, Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune. The correct answer is Jupiter. What color is chlorophyll, the pigment in plants that helps with photosynthesis? Red, green, yellow, blue. The correct answer is green. In which country is the Great Barrier Reef located? Brazil, South Africa, Australia, Indonesia. The correct answer is Australia. Who was the British Prime Minister during most of World War II? Neville Chamberlain, Winston Churchill, Clement Attlee, Harold Macmillan. The correct answer is Winston Churchill. Which famous Greek philosopher taught Alexander the Great? Socrates, Aristotle, Plato, Pythagoras. The correct answer is Aristotle. What is the capital city of Argentina? Santiago, Buenos Aires, Lima, Montevideo. The correct answer is Buenos Aires. Which Shakespeare play features the characters Rosencrantz and Guildenstern? Hamlet, Macbeth, Othello, King Lear. The correct answer is Hamlet. What is the currency of Japan? Yen, won, yuan, dollar. The correct answer is yen. Which African country has the largest population by 2025? South Africa, Nigeria, Egypt, Ethiopia. The correct answer is Nigeria. Which ancient Greek city-state was famous for its military training? Athens, Sparta, Corinth, Delphi. The correct answer is Sparta. What is the boiling point of water at sea level in Celsius? 90 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, 110 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is 100 degrees Celsius. What is the capital of New Zealand? Auckland, Wellington, Christchurch, Hamilton. The correct answer is Wellington. What is the study of earthquakes called? Volcanology, seismology, geology, meteorology. The correct answer is seismology. Which is the longest-running Broadway show? The Lion King, Cats, The Phantom of the Opera, Les Miserables. The correct answer is The Phantom of the Opera. What is the scientific name for the fear of spiders? Arachnophobia, ophidiophobia, acrophobia, claustrophobia. The correct answer is arachnophobia.